Hello students of Standard 7th. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshram. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Dear students, today again we will continue with the same topic from your My English Reader Unity in Diversity. No men are foreign. Now read the poem given below. It proves that nobody in this world is actually foreign. No men are foreign. Let us read this poem stanza wise and let's see what the poet James Kirkuk wants to say. Remember, no men are strange, no country is foreign. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon is earth like this, in which we shall lie. The poet addresses the readers and reminds them that no men are strangers and no country is foreign. He has no one He says no one is different from the other. He wishes to remove the borders of the countries so that everyone will be free to move around. Under the uniform, we all have the same body, which breathes in the same way. The land on which the men of other countries walk is similar to us. The earth is one, and we all will be buried after death on the same earth. They, too, aware of sun and air and water, are fed by peaceful harvest, by war's long winter start. Their hands are ours, and in their lines we read, a labor not different from our own. In this second stanza, the poet says that people of other countries also have the same sun, air, and water. It means that God does not differentiate between people and treats everyone equally. At the time of peace, everyone eats food and enjoy their life, but they also suffer during the war and long winters. So, the poet means that everyone has seen good and bad days in their life. All of us have the same hands and we all work hard to earn our livelihood. Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake, or sleep and strength that can be won. By love in every land is common life that all can recognize and understand. Here, the poet says that people of other countries have eyes similar to us that wake and sleep. They also have strength that can be won by love. Everywhere on the land, life is universally the same. It means that we have similarity in our body parts and it functions in a similar way. If we can recognize it, then we will understand that all human beings share equal traits. It is the human earth that we defy. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign and no country is strange. Defile means to destroy the purity of. Outrage means to annoy, here to destroy. Here the poet says, whenever we are told to hate a person of other country and think of him as our enemy, then we are depriving, cheating and commending ourselves. He further says that we should not pick weapons to fight against each other. We should fight amongst us and should live in harmony. We should not fight among us and should live in harmony. The poet laments that human beings are spoiling the earth by their hate. They are destroying their innocence by the fire of war. The smoke which comes out through the weapon fills the air with dust. He further adds that the air which is present everywhere is ours. We should not make it dirty by feeling of hatred. We should remember that no men are foreign and no countries are stranger. We all are equal and same. Now, dear students, on the basis of reading and understanding the poem, complete the summary given below by filling the blanks with one word only. Already some blanks are filled. Next is, on the basis of your reading, answer the following questions. Already some answers are done for you. Explain the following. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. It means we all are same, whatever we cover ourselves with. In the same way, explain the remaining ones. Odds justify the title No Men Are For. Life skill. Warfare is expensive, but peace is priceless. In the wake of the above statement, suggest ways to promote peace. Let's promote peace. Already some are written for you. Avoid war and fight. Get united. Remove discrimination. In the same way, suggest some more ways to promote peace. Dear students, here we end our today's session. We will continue with this same unit in our next session. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.